Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to tell you that how do I back up my footage on the go, and that also for very cheap. So let's start this video. So guys, generally whenever I travel I carry three cameras with me. The first one is my A cam, which is the Sony A6300. On top of that, I have an action cam, which is the YI 4K Plus. And the third thing is the DJI Spark drone that I own. So the problem is whenever I travel, I take a lot of footage. And at the end of the day, whenever I get back to the hotel, I dump all that footage onto my laptop. And just for the sake of this backup process, I always carry my 15-inch MacBook Pro. First of all, this is a really expensive device, and also the weight of this device is really like a lot. The 15-inch MacBook Pro weighs about 2 kg. I think it's about like 2.5 kg actually. So like I always worry about that I'm going to lose this device, that somebody is going to steal it, or I mean, even if like I don't worry about those things, like it's really heavy on my shoulders all the time because I'm carrying all these three cameras. On top of that, I have a laptop, then I have my tripod, so like totally it's like a lot of weight on my shoulders, and I always have been looking to like find out some way to like cut down this weight. So generally what I found on the internet to solve this is using a device called GNARBOX, and the spelling is GNARBOX. So it's like a device where you can plug in your SD cards or your micro SD cards, and it actually takes the backup of your card automatically into this device. And the problem with this thing is that it's like freaking expensive. I mean, in India, just for the 128 GB GNARBOX, you have to pay almost like 46,000 rupees. And in US, it's like $300. So that's like not really cheap. And what are you going to do with 128 GB of space? Because like you are going to, I mean, fill that up in just 2 days. So you need like more backup, and like if you need more space, then obviously the price will also go up. So like GNARBOX was never a solution for me. So that's why, in my opinion, the best solution to this problem is having a very small laptop. So in my case, I bought this small laptop from Asus, and it actually solved this problem for me. So let me explain why. So first of all, this one has a 11-inch screen, so that means it's like really small. And secondly, it costs only 14,000 Indian rupees, and in US I think it costs around like $150. So that means it's like really cheap, and obviously that means the fear of losing this device is less than like losing your MacBook Pro. And also like this is a really lightweight device. It weighs only around 0.9 kg, so that's like 1.6 kg less than my 15-inch MacBook Pro. So that means it's like really good for my shoulders also. And some of its like key features are like it has 2 GB of RAM, it has like a Celeron dual core processor, and also 32 GB of memory. Now I know that this is like not a very good device, but for me the only requirement I have on the go is just to like back up my footage, because for browsing the web and like doing other kind of stuff, I already have my mobile phone with me. And like if I really need a bigger screen to consume some media or see the maps or things like that, then this device is actually good enough. I mean, it's not like you have to have 8 GB of RAM to browse the web. So yeah, that is it guys. Like, I mean, that is what I wanted to share in this video. Like I just bought this device a few days back, and now like I'm going to test this over the next few months, and I'm also going to take this device with me into like all my trips. And like if I have any specific feedback about this device, I will obviously let you guys know through my Facebook or my YouTube channel. So yeah, that is it. If you guys have any question, please let me know. I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, peace.